The judge is going through the counts one by one. Count one in the indictment is conspiracy to defraud the United States. If convicted, she tells Trump, he could be imprisoned for a period of not longer than 5 years. Count two in the indictment is conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding. She then tells Donald Trump that if convicted of count two, he could be imprisoned for 20 years. Then she gets to count three, the penalty of imprisonment for count three, not more than 20 years. And then she says count four, the indictment is conspiracy against rights, a penalty of imprisonment of not more than 10 years. Then the judge, per our reporters inside, says, quote, as I mentioned, Mr. Trump, you do have certain rights during this proceeding. She's listing them. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do say to a law enforcement officer can be used against you in this proceeding or in any future proceeding. Do you understand that, sir? Yes, he said. You have the right to an attorney. Yes, says to Trump. Yes, Trump says to that, to the question of if he has retained counsel. Now, the judge then tells the prosecutors to produce evidence to the defense counsel. She says not doing so in a timely manner may result in sanctions against the government. Prosecutor Mr. Windham says he understands. And now Trump, as of 4:23 p.m., is officially being arraigned. Trump stands and faces the judge. An arraignment is a short proceeding, but is an extremely important proceeding, she tells him. Then Trump's defense counsel then says, yes, Your Honor, he has, when he is asked whether or not Trump has received the indictment. And now, as of 4:24 p.m. today, August 3rd, 2023, former President Donald Trump has issued his plea. He is standing facing the judge. He says, not guilty. That is to the first charge about which he was asked about. We will presume that he is, and now it is confirmed, as of 4:25 p.m., Trump has pled not guilty to all counts. Again, there are other substantive matters that will happen during this arraignment. We will be interested to see the discussion that happens around the conditions of his release. But the meat of this matter has now taken place. Former President Donald Trump has been confronted formally with the charges against him. He's had his rights explained to him, including the right to remain silent, which, for anybody who's ever watched a cop show, kind of lands like a ton of bricks. He's been advised of his rights. He's been advised of the charges that are pending against him, and he has entered his plea. He has entered his plea of not guilty on all charges.